Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The Best Bake Off Cookbook is probably one of the most anticipated releases for home bakers, offering a delightful collection of recipes inspired by the beloved television show, promising to bring the magic of the Bake Off tent right into your own kitchen with its easy-to-follow instructions and stunning photography. Number 5. No Fuss Bread Machine Cookbook. Tired of complicated bread recipes? Discover the joy of baking perfect homemade bread with minimal effort. This cookbook makes it simple. Imagine delicious, fresh bread without the constant attention. Our recipes are designed for true hands-off baking, letting you relax while it does the work. Achieve consistently perfect loaves with our straightforward instructions. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to get bakery-quality results at home. Enjoy the taste of freshly baked bread without the fuss. This guide offers simple, delicious recipes that anyone can master. This is your ultimate resource for stress-free bread making. Get ready to impress yourself and your loved ones with incredible homemade bread. What we like. This cookbook is designed for ultimate convenience. If you're looking for delicious homemade bread without the constant attention, this is your go-to. It's perfect for busy individuals who want to enjoy fresh bread with minimal effort. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow, even for beginners. It includes a wide variety of recipes, from simple cookies to elaborate cakes. The photography is beautiful and inspiring, making you want to bake immediately. Number 4. Clever Fox Blank Recipe Book, Black, A5. Keep all your favorite recipes in one place with this blank recipe organizer. It holds up to 60 recipes and features numbered pages with a table of contents for easy access. This cooking journal makes meal preparation enjoyable. It includes a bucket list for recipes you want to try, a glossary, and a handy measurement table. Surprise the foodie in your life with this beautifully designed recipe planner. Its eco-leather hardcover and included stickers make it a truly special gift. Crafted with heavy-duty paper, an elastic band, a pen loop, and a back pocket, this notebook is built to last. It's conveniently sized at A5. We're confident you'll love this recipe book. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee for a full refund. What we like. This is a beautifully crafted blank journal for your personal recipes. If you love collecting and organizing family recipes or want to create your own culinary masterpieces, this is the ideal choice. Its premium design makes it a wonderful gift for any aspiring chef. What people say. Pages ombre in color and are thick enough a non-ballpoint pen won't bleed through or show the bevel from another page. Each page is different colored sections and numbered. I can put what recipes are which pages. The cover is nice and feels durable. I already took my book to my cooking class and got powder and dough on the cover and was easily cleaned off. Number 3. Donkey T Star Baker Apron. Are you passionate about baking? Do you dream of creating delicious pastries and treats? This apron is perfect for anyone who loves to spend time in the kitchen. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the baker in your life? This apron is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a practical and stylish choice for any baking enthusiast. Crafted with both comfort and style in mind, this apron will make you feel like a professional pastry chef. Its durable design ensures it can handle all your baking adventures. Whether you're baking for family at home or aspiring to be on a baking show, this apron is your perfect companion. It brings a touch of fun and flair to your kitchen attire. Show off your love for baking with this charming apron. It's more than just kitchenware, it's a statement of your passion and dedication to the art of baking. What we like. Show off your baking passion with this themed apron. If you're a fan of baking shows or simply love to bake, this is a fun and practical accessory. It's perfect for keeping your clothes clean while you create delicious treats in the kitchen. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and the results are delicious. I love the variety of recipes in this cookbook, from simple weeknight meals to more elaborate desserts. The photography is stunning and really makes the recipes come alive. Number 2. The Great British Bake Off Big Book of Baking. Welcome to the ultimate baking companion. This book brings the magic of the Great British Bake Off right into your kitchen. From simple sponges to show-stopping pâtisserie, you'll find everything you need to master every bake. Learn the secrets to perfect results every time. Discover expert tips and tricks from the show's most beloved bakers. Elevate your baking skills with insider knowledge. Explore a wide array of delicious recipes designed for bakers of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound baking prowess. It's time to bake like a star. What we like. This is the ultimate guide for any baking enthusiast. If you want to master a wide range of baking techniques and recipes inspired by a popular show, this book is for you. It's ideal for those looking to expand their baking repertoire with reliable and delicious recipes. What people say. This cookbook is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to improve their baking skills. The recipes are clearly written and easy to follow, even for beginners. It includes a wide variety of recipes, from simple cookies to elaborate cakes. Number 1. The Great British Bake Off, Every Day. Discover a collection of 100 foolproof bakes designed for everyday enjoyment. From simple treats to impressive desserts, these recipes are perfect for any occasion. Unlock your baking potential with recipes that are guaranteed to succeed. We've tested each one to ensure delicious results every time you bake. Bring the spirit of the Great British Bake Off into your own kitchen. Learn from the best and create bakes that will impress your friends and family. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, these recipes are accessible and enjoyable. Get ready to create delightful bakes with confidence. This book is your essential guide to delicious home baking. Find inspiration and practical advice for creating memorable moments through food. What we like. This cookbook focuses on accessible and reliable recipes for daily enjoyment. If you're looking for straightforward bakes that are guaranteed to succeed, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for home bakers who want to whip up delightful treats without complicated steps. What people say. This baking cookbook offers 100 recipes from the show, for everything from cakes to biscuits to breads to pastry to pudding. The recipes are straightforward, and the book is lavishly illustrated. This book is laid out well with everyday type recipes then weekend sections for items which either take longer to prepare or bake. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.